Galaxy Pizza being in the panel live. I who say Baba. Yo! People wanna tag Teejay for me now. Tag Teejay for me, please. People wanna tag Teejay, tag Teejay, tag Teejay. Me? Somebody say, answer the question, they say if you're a goat selector. Me I goat for dancehall. Me I goat for dancehall. I don't go selecting alone. And me the biggest thing in the dancehall. So when I ask me about me I goat for selecting. Me bigger than selector. Fuck when I ask me about selector. Me and selector look like our size. You see me top every category. My most viral. Me have domestic affair. Me have the biggest domestic affair. My domestic affair bigger than Angel and Beanie, bigger than Bunty and Angel. Me right after two of them. Zine, me pass this already. Zine, everywhere you go up on YouTube, you see them more selector up there like me. Or upon no way at all, TikTok, no way at all. How you talk to me? I want to hear the biggest clash, one of the biggest clash we ever see. We had a world clash and them something there. I Puff Daddy clash at Jamaica. I forgot to say, and me and Mataran go finals. And me kill the most Sunday night. And me and a clash selector, I mean, I dub. You see me lock, yard and come lock for you know. And me the biggest thing. Now me hear the artists I try cuss and I try kill and try everything. And me the goat. Fuck wrong with you now? Kind of question that you not ask. Me not understand now. But when you out of order here, only bright so. I want to know, man. No, but if him say me a goat in a bush, nothing wrong. Come here when I select them, I dominate country too. I play a lot some place where the land alone have light. Enough selector where I run the place and I left Kingston. Nobody now want to see them pass half a tree. Some place where me go in a world, some selector no go. And some place where me no go, I true, me grounded and true, them never have the right money. Tag Teejay for me. On the brighty. Now me I run dancehall. On the blind. Tag Teejay for me and tag Byron Messia, please. Tag Teejay and tag Byron Messia, please. Me play everywhere. Me play Gaza, me play a gully, me play a country, me play a town, me play a yard, me play a foreign. I want you. Me go a place where artists no go. No for the favorite artists, them no go place where me go. Them passport can't talk. My passport can't talk for me. And the video them did it. I'm going to lock it down. I'm telling me I run dancehall and I'm blind. And say me the biggest thing in the dancehall. Post me there, I'll take up DJ and say I want to sing and them sitting there. And true artists bad mind, I don't bother with that. Because I don't want to get bad mind. Yeah, man, you have to big up the legend, them, man. Big up Chupa, Sky Juice, Quingy. You know me, I say big up Stone Love, Base of this. You know, come on, we don't have to do all that. We know the thing. Tag Byron Messia and tag Teejay. I'm the biggest thing in the dancehall. Remember some of your fans were 70, 80 years old, you know. Remember when we walk down the road and them something there, you know. Me have to take picture with people with the walking stick, you know. How they know me? Because I'm viral on the internet too. Not only as selector, I'm viral as what they call vlogger, but me and a vlogger. Because you know see me I run every day and I make content and I put on wig and I wind up myself and me and a vlogger. Me not see myself as a vlogger. Me just turn on my phone and talk. And me talk about things that make sense. Vlogger do anything for views. Me not a vlogger. Me a bad man. Me a artist. Me a selector. You understand? Me deal with music and current affairs. Enough selector in that game. Andrew Wallace no know them, you know. Andrew Wallace know me like me live next to him yard, you know. Mark Golding, everybody them know me, you know. Remember me first go viral, you know. I never me and a selector clash and go viral. Me and Lexus Warrior go viral, you know. You no remember? You no Google pan Cinemax. You no Google pan Cinemax, dancehall documentary. A Foota hype and Sky Juice alone in it as solo selector. So when I do the maths, man, me and them on a size. Me bigger than selector. No selector can't talk to me. None of them. None of them. Bigger than the whole of them. Pass them out long time. All of them. I'm not famous in one category. I'm famous in all categories. Some selector play music with them not in a social life. Nobody not interested in them as a person. Foota is the most interested person in a music. Just go up on YouTube and type in F-O. You don't have to put F-O-O in it. Just put F-O and see if you can see be a Foota hype pop up. YouTube afraid of me, you know. My name click too much time for the D, you know. My name type too much time for the D, you know. You understand? Remember say, enough of them selector you don't get no endorsement. You know? Remember me do B-Mobile ads and them things. They never me and a selector, me and killer them. Remember me star all show and them the contract not right. And I say, hey, don't put out that movie them you kill you, no? So, all categories. Me and them on a size. Me and the rest of selector them on a size. Me know nobody size me put in a selector. Me a Dan for every Dan. Boss for every boss. You understand? Me and them on a size. No selector where you call them name. Me and them on a size. Yeah, Dan? Yo, somebody say when such man see this a problem. Alright, people. The warrior go on. Somebody say Foota, you get one of the biggest father fully loaded. Remember say me come take over fully loaded from Mataran them. Remember good? Mataran got monster at 1 year when him come back and meet the whole fully loaded. History there them man, we do it man. Bigger than the whole of them. No selector can't talk to me. Them I have something with them have more than me, but me have everything. I go on, you see me? Yeah man. Foota hype. Foota hype, the name, no normal ordinary world in all categories. You see me? See somebody say me a dancer liar. You see it? Me have all that category there. Me have all that category there. As dancer liar. Bumbo clad me heart. Yo. So me a dancer truth and dancer liar in a one. Bumbo clad. Me not normal. Then no me are the man. No me are the man then. Then if me are the truth and me are the lie. Then no me are the man. Yo. Then no me are the man. Me glad they confirm it. The man say me a dancer liar. And people say me a dancer truth. That mean me are the truth and the lie. Me are the day and the night. And me are the man. And me are the man. All categories. And me run all categories. Yo. I love it. People. The warrior where I go on. Byron Messia. Me's a man of truth. Right? I'm not going to be a hypocrite. Me and I have a problem. People want to talk about Byron Messia more you talk Teejay. Byron Messia. Me's a man of truth. And you get to know me. See? If you don't already know me. See? Your statement, two statements you make me have a problem with. See? Me have a problem when you say your song is not really dancehall, it's more Afrobeat. See? Me have a problem with that. See? Because me know a dancehall that me hear. Da-da, da-da. So you're bad from which part? Tell a pussy me no run bitch. A dancehall that for me. A Google mental convince me to play your song. Because I never trust you from man. And I say, Google me never trust the youth. And I say, I come from Trinidad. Because I never know about the St. Kitts part. And I say, we have to be careful or we let in them outside there. Cause all the time, them want forward in, the first thing them do are this week. People, anyway, when you see Google Mental from Stone Love, you ask him. Anyway, when you see Google Mental from Stone Love, ask him, what Foota did say to you? Google said, no man, him sang bad man, and it a go run the place. And me say, yeah, run the place I want in a Google. But me no want, we let in them people, and the first thing them do are this week. And we are the selector that we have to hold the line. God has my witness. That's why I tell you, say, me born different. Me is a visionary. Google say, when me hear them say, no, the children that him come from a Jamaica him born. Me say, a lie. Him born a Jamaica. Download. Find him song. Have him song in my laptop. I play it some place and it a mash up the place. Then, and me I say, alright. Then me hear them say, send kids him come from. And me get twisted and me confused. But me start play the song already. Cause Google make me start play the song already. Then now, the man go say, him song, we not approve if him born a Jamaica or no, you know? Me not say a lie, I'm telling about we not approve. Zine? And then the man go say, him song a more Afrobeat than dancehall. Right, this one I say, Google Mental. You see where you call spam me now? Can hear what the man say. Google I say, no man, him alright man. Google believe in him. Then the man I go say, from 2005 till now, him have the biggest dancehall song. You never just say a song on a dancehall, brother. You know, just say a song on more Afrobeat. Eh? So, oh no, and even so be the case. So what you tell me, say, from 2005 till now, Elephant Man never have no big hit out there. Nobody else never have no big hit out there. So when Charlie Black sell gold, I when Cranium sell gold, I when Egyptian. So you tell me, say, Byron Messia sang bigger than girl, me want to hold you by Egyptian. And when that song they come out? Like, when more for holding older than 2005? Me I try understand. So, me think him said that just for the clout. Because I remember saying my brethren a book film and manage him, you know. Special entertainment. Big up special. Zine? Special our youth. Buster Rhymes youth. Buster make me know a special and thing. But me think say him deliberately I said them something here. Girl, you a party animal. And when that come out again? So how him say from 2005? It not add up to me, you know. It not add up to me. It not add up. I when watch out for this come out. I when fever come out. I when cranium cell goal again. And people really listen to that. Me I try to understand. People don't know so they not focus though. Me just say, me not care who for sang him thief or wagwan. Him sang, end up boss. If him thief Jeff sang, very unfortunate for Jeff. But and the first artist a thief people sang, and it bigger than the person with them thief them sang. You know, Ninja Kid tell you yesterday how much song people thief and go use it. Him himself thief Buju song and write film song and boss. So special. Sirani. No games. Your song bigger than no games? Put on back my glasses. Byron Messia, Zin, me not have no problem with you as an artist. Cause I don't like me know you or me and you have no problem. Zin? But you see me, them I go tell you, say, it's when you come to dancehall, me have zero bumbuckler tolerance. For disrespect my culture, me not run them joke there. You hear me say to you? So, I don't know if I prank, you know. Cause me I wonder if I prank. Remember say Foota hype is a man, no business if you want to give me a dub plate, you know. Me no care if you want to sing dub plate for me or not. If you sing a dub plate, me play it. But me not go hold my mouth and not talk because I want dub plate from you. Me tell a pussy me not take lip talk. Just remember, you are becoming disrespectful to the culture. The things them where you do, and I say, it now be a pranking, it'll be a disrespecting. We kind of feel how we, you know. Alright, different from the clash with the Teejay. Jamaican people kind of feel a way. If nobody around you now tell you, we kind of feel a way, rude boy. So either you go ease up for your antics them, your prank, because I want to say it's a prank, you know. We very patriotic in the rude boy. Jamaican people not play people, you know, brother. You will have to see Jamaica and love it, you know. Not follow nobody in a rude boy. You will have to see Jamaica and leave it alone. So please, don't push the narrative too far. New York, big up special entertainment, my brethren. But even New York, special is a street, you but a Jamaican run New York. And we run New York, bro. For real, no joke. Zin? And we love your song. We're not going to come tell you yes about. We don't love your song. We love your song. And your song get forward. Dog. Me a select how I play the way. Me no business how much numbers you want up on Spotify and record. Those can be fabricated. Those can be manipulated. And you power around. Special them know the game. And special them get big deal now from company, have some bigger money and something. All of that can be manipulated. We have seen it with the French Montana, them with the African them buy out views. So views can tell you say your song bigger than our song them. How we are play, how we are dominate the place. We know we song bigger. Your song never big like After All. Your song not big like Shabba Motherpat. We had 4, 5, 6 years playing. So stop do it, man. Stop do it, man. Stop. Me can name 1 million songs bigger than your song, brother. Your song no bigger than enough of them stay, so all know. Your song no bigger than yeah. You see what yeah do the place? You don't remember what yeah do the place? Man, what wrong with you, man? Nobody come do them something there, brother. Remember when Stacey drop, everybody in a world a drop down in. When they shot fire and the rhythm got acapella, everybody a drop down in a whole world in that. When yeah run the place and the whole world. What is wrong with you? Stop it, man. Stop that something. Stop it. You're black a fool, you know. I say you want a black. All a black. All a black. My youth. I have a black that brother that kind of oh, the man sang bigger than yeah. And I say everything when him comment earlier of the object to me, I say, so I go to one of them youth, a fake page, you know? So, what me I say to it, your song has not done any of the crazy thing them where some song do boy are crazy. When we have to, your song not big like Family, not even when you are asleep. Popcorn song Family. Your song not then nowhere near Family yet. I'll know. Come on, man. Don't do that, man. As a matter of fact, when me say Coyote song, do when it did hot. It's a good song and it in the space now and it a go on. But that's not the biggest song, brother. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Come on. Don't do that. Family is one of the biggest song. Family after all, Shabba Motherpat. Them the song there. You don't want to play them. You don't want to play them song there. Stay so yeah. Come on, brother. Have some song, man. Come on. Even Teejay own a lane. You know what own a lane do with boy? Yeah? So, I don't know if I prank, but no, it no matter then if you count song on Billboard, like how much artists. Alright. So how much song my father have go up on Billboard from 2005 till now? You know, you may tell you Cranium sell gold, Egyptian sell gold, Charlie Black sell gold. Since 2005, so it must be a prank. It must be a prank. I remember say Chris Brown tap in pan him song and next person, but you want to talk about tap in pan song? You know what somebody named Elephant Man? You know what song Chris Brown, them Usher, Janet Jackson, some people. Elephant Man could have done verses, you know. Elephant Man have some bumbo clad color boy, you know. I remember say I just hear your song and like it and sing one little something burner boy and Chris. Come on, bro. Oh, you mean Cartel have some big old songs since them I mention Fever, brother, and some other song. Me just make a name a million Cartel we bigger than that the song there, you know. But me just got the highest one, we are Fever. And since 2005 that don't. Gaza fans, why you don't listen, man? Why you don't listen?